Freddy wanted to check out the new garden setup, and I think he's really enjoying it. He gets a bit more room to look around and look for what he wants to sit on, because trust me, sitting on something is always in Freddy's mind, especially if he can get higher up off the ground and have himself a little bit of a viewpoint. But this also allows him to stay in the shade, allows me to go ahead and take a look at everything and clean it up a bit more than I normally would be able to. So I'm trying to just organize this and make it look a good bit better, and I think that's coming along. We got a little bit of garlic that we just set down. Freddy's already kind of smell tested that. Hibiscus, getting ready to make myself some tea. Everything is moving along. I did thin out the Brussels sprouts a little bit. I took a few of the good ones out. The rest are still right over there, and we're hoping that that comes along and really ends up boosting everything for us. So I just wanted to go ahead, give you a little bit of a rundown, a little bit of an update. I might have to move the beets back, and they've been slowly getting thinned out as I use the leaves and stems sauteed on sandwiches. One of the benefits of having those. But I'm thinking we're getting close to the final form. Not quite sure, but I have a few pallets that I might try a couple other things with, just to go ahead and keep it a little bit cleaner. But we'll see how that works out. In the meantime, got Freddy coming out for a walk. You know, I like to give him his fresh air. Don't I, you little bugger? Freddy. Hey, say hi. Alright, well, that's a little bit of an update for now, and we'll see you guys pretty soon. Please do leave a like and a subscribe if you're interested in watching how all of this comes along as we go throughout the summer.